What if the most dangerous trading style out there was also the one that's keeping you consistent? And that's the uncomfortable truth I found out after years of well-behaved robots that kind of bored me into bad decisions. So in this video, I'll show you what this strategy is, why it works on your brain, and how I run it with a fixed stop loss so it never wipes me out. So this is the first account that I opened. I put $1,000 into a cent account, which turns it into $100,000. And I ran this account for 181 days. And the account grew really, really quickly. It made 20% in only just a short couple of months. The final equity on this account was 20%, and these three jagged areas where the equity is going down, these are each 10% because that's what I set as my hard stop loss. On the screen here, you'll see the actual equity curve from FX Blue, and you see these weird up bits and down bits. The account actually didn't do this. This is because my broker was archiving the trades. So if I redraw the equity curve, as you can see here, that is what it actually looked like. But I didn't like the fact that my broker was archiving my trades, so I went and withdrew the money from the first account and opened a brand new account, again with $1,000, and this went for 93 days. This is a real $1,000 account, not a cent account, and my broker does not archive my trades, so I should be able to see the equity curve and track it much better. Currently, as of recording, the account is currently up 50% in profit at $1,547. However, it did see a lowest equity of $677 because it hit stop loss twice, and the stop loss amounts I've set is rather aggressive at $500 each. And even though the account balance is at $1,407, currently the floating equity is $222 in losses. I absolutely love looking at this account every single day because apart from the huge stop losses, every day when I look at it, the balance is higher and higher. So it hits that dopamine effect for me to see profits every single day. So on the screen is my actual trading account. You can see it is currently up in balance of $1,547, but with a floating loss of $200. The actual profit, if I was to close everything today, would be about 30%. This style of trading is called grid martingale, and if you're not familiar with what grid martingales are, let's say we have this kind of price pattern, and if we place a buy trade and the price goes in our favor, then we exit the trade. That's it. However, if the price moves against us, then we are going to buy more, and eventually the price retraces, and because our lot sizes are bigger and bigger, the retracement doesn't have to be that big. It only needs to be about 20 to 25%, depending on how aggressive you are with your lot sizing, in order for all the trades to come out in profit. And the beauty of this type of trading style is that the balance line is really, really smooth. Like every single day you look at it and you're just looking at profits. Which begs the question, is this type of trading style too good to be true? And the answer is yes, because eventually without a stop loss, all these will blow up because sometimes the market does move quite aggressively against us. And when I was trading with commercial expert advisors, like the ones that you can buy online, I have lost plenty of accounts because the sellers are selling their expert advisors based on smooth equity curves. So what they do is they take these smooth equity curves, they use it to market their expert advisor, and then when it blows up, they just hide the account and they spin up a brand new account with a brand new expert advisor. And I got really annoyed with this kind of seller behavior because they were trading for profits of selling the expert advisor, not for long-term profitability of this type of trading style. So I decided to go and create my own. So if you take a look again at the way that this type of a strategy works, we have our downtrend and we're buying in greater and greater lots, and we're exiting in profit when the price retraces. But when do we enter? Do we enter on the cross of a moving average? So that's something I decided to let software to create for me. I created this template and the software would decide the entry for me. And it would also decide the gap, which is the distance between the first trade and subsequent trades. And it would decide how many lots is the first trade and how much bigger the second and third trade lots would be. And I would also let it choose whether we're exiting with $1 or $100 for our profits. And lastly, the most important, I wanted this strategy to have a stop loss, so I'm not risking my entire account balance. Finally, after a couple of years of using trash commercial expert advisors, I can control my own grid martingale strategy. And the reason I'm not using the ones available online is because I don't know how they designed it. Did they over-optimize their own strategy just to get a great backtest? I want to still use the best practices in algorithmic trading when I create this. And I created this template in a software called Strategy Quant. And if you want a discount, you can use the code LisaForex to get a really good discount with them. Another reason why I really like trading these type of strategies is because they're so easy to make. So my official strategy development process overall from a big picture perspective includes 4 different blocks: the build, test, trying to break the strategy, and finally the portfolio. So most of my efforts include trying to break the strategy to make it more robust. But because this type of a trading style, the entries is not that important. The step that takes me the biggest time, the break step, I don't need to do that, because what's more important for this style is the gap, the lot sizes, and the profits. It's also not broker sensitive, and it's just so much easier to make. Okay, now you're thinking this is too good to be true, and I am going to lay out the pros and cons of this exact system. So the pros is the profits are almost daily. Every time you look at it, the balance is growing. However, the con and the biggest con of this system is that drawdowns are big, and you've seen that in my own systems where I'm losing $500 or 10% of my account, depending on how I've set it up. Another pro is it makes me happy to see profits in my account every day. So it helps with my trading psychology. Plus, I can create these on my own for any time frame, any currency pair. I have control now. Right now, this is kind of an experiment because I don't know what the long-term potential is. Sure, I've got amazing looking backtests, but they don't count. I want to see how these accounts perform in real trading conditions. So I'm going to wait a couple of years and see if I'm still profitable at the end of 2 years. Oh, I forgot to mention that to create these myself, I needed 3 things. The first is the software called Strategy Quant. The second is the template file that I created that I've shown on my YouTube channel. And the third one is a very special Strategy Quant file that I created and shared with the members of my community so they can also create their own grid martingale expert advisors. And if you want to find more about my community, click the link in the description below. So one more thing I want to share with you is trading gold. So gold is very volatile, and I have blown up accounts trying to trade gold before, but that was before I had the ability to create my own. So when I created, I noticed gold has a lot of potential in the backtest. So I want to see if this behavior is consistent in the forward test. And this account has been running for 60 days and it hit $1,000 in profit really, really quickly. I'm talking about weeks. And then it went and lost 3 times, hit my stop loss of $500, and currently it is at $500 in profit and equity with no open trades. So gold, I think, has a lot of potential. Unlike Forex, where the profits can compound, but they compound quite slowly, gold compounds really, really fast. But because of the volatility, this also means you're going to see stop losses hit more regularly. But I believe gold, based on my backtests, has more potential to make more profits in the long term. So stay tuned for an update in my future videos about gold. Now, I do want to disclaim that this type of trading style I don't recommend at all with large amounts of money. That's why I'm only spending $1,000 on this experiment. The majority of my funds, they are trading much safer, low risk without the grid and without the martingale. The thing is, this type of aggressive trading style isn't going to be for everybody. So watch this video if you prefer a much safer trading style with no grid, no martingale, where I show you the exact steps of my strategy building process.